Hello everyone, I'm Joseph here again. The experiment is study the effect of temperature on salivary amylase activity. In my previous video already I have explained the principle involved in this study the effect of temperature on salivary amylase activity, and the materials required already I have mentioned in my previous video. You can refer that one. So here I am going to explain about the procedure involved in this experiment. We need to divide and pour that 15 ml of 1% starch which we have prepared. We need to divide and pour the 15 ml 1% starch solution and 3 ml 1% NaCl solution into 3 test tubes, and we have to name them as A, B, C. In each test tube that will be 5 ml. Then pour a few ice cubes in a beaker and ensure that they stay at 5 degrees Celsius. Then transfer the tube A to a beaker with ice. We need to transfer the A to a ice. Then 2 more beaker and fill them with water. One will be like 37 degrees Celsius and one will be at 50 degrees Celsius. So you ensure that the temperature for the 2 beaker are constant. Like for the first one it will be 5 degrees Celsius, second one 37 degrees Celsius, and the third one will be 50 degrees Celsius. Then transfer test tube B to the beaker where 37 degrees Celsius, and similarly we need to transfer the test tube C into the beaker set at 50 degrees Celsius. Then draw 1 ml of saliva solution and add it into the test tube A, and do the same for B and C. For all the test tubes we have to add 1 ml of saliva solution. And quickly draw a few drops using a dropper from the test tube A. We need to withdraw a few drops from test tube A and need to transfer the same to the first series of the test tube having iodine solution. We have a 3 series of test tube containing iodine solution. So in the first series we are going to add from A, test tube A, and repeat the same for B and C. Also we have to do the same thing for second series of test tube. We need to add a few drops from B, and in the third series of test tube we have to add a few drops from C, where all the series of test tubes containing iodine solutions. So the first time we have to note at 0 minute reading, and again wait to 2 minutes before proceeding to the next step. We have to give a gap in between the steps, and draw a few more drops from each test tube and do the same. We have to do the same again after 2 minutes, and we have to note the change in a color. What is the first colors? What is the color before 2 minutes, and what is the color after 2 minutes? And we have to repeat the experiment in the interval of 2 minutes until the color of iodine does not change. So this is the procedure we have to follow to see the effect of temperature in salivary amylase. You can follow this procedure to carry out this experiment in your own. In my next part of my video I am going to discuss about the results. So, thank you.